Magandang araw sa inyo lahat at welcome back to my channel. Today is March 24, 2026, Tuesday. The last day of school is filled with mixed emotions and unforgettable moments. I feel both happiness and sadness as I say goodbye to my classmates and teachers. We share laughter, take pictures, and remember the challenges we overcome together. It's a time to reflect on how much I will have grown academically and personality throughout the year. As I walk out of the classroom for the final time, I carry with me gratitude, lessons learned, and hope for the next journey ahead. Alright, let's go. Parts! Last day of school, di ba? Okay. Good morning, guys. Lo. Ay, eksena, oh. Ay, drama, oh. Ano ba? Ay ko muna. Ay ko muna sa vlog. How's your day, Barbon? How's your day? Last day of school, di ba?
Yes.
Yan. So mamaya pa-practice tayo sa ano, yung graduation song.
And marami tayong school na pupunta mamaya. Marami kayong school na mapapakinggan. So make sure na lahat kayo ay makikinig habang nagpapay.
Ryan and Aaron.
Ano masasabi mo tapos sa school year ya?
I'm going to miss you all po. Ingat kayo sa pag-uwi. Oy. Parang kung kayo. Ingat ha. Ingat next week. Next week, kita tayo ha, next week. Paano? Sino mo sa shoutout mo? Shoutout sa inyo. Shoutout sa inyo lahat. Tiga. Si, patapos na yung school year, di ba? Basta. Uy! Ay,
4 years ago, I began my journey in high school, stepping into a new chapter of my life. I felt confident in my abilities, yet I was still nervous about the challenges ahead. Each day brought lessons that test both my knowledge and my character. Despite the fear I sometimes left, I remain strong and continue to grow into a better version of myself. Maraming salamat sa panonood po ng aking video.
I am excited to announce my upcoming vlog featuring a visit to 369 Moto Zone. In this episode, I will explore the shop and showcase the motorcycles that catch my attention. Viewers can expect a closer look at the atmosphere and services offered there. One of the highlights of this vlog is meeting General Camote in person. I will share our conversation and the insights he provides about riding and responsibility. This visit is not only about motorcycles but also about learning from experienced riders. I hope to capture meaningful moments and inspiring advice during this experience. There will be engaging sense that motorcycle enthusiasts will surely appreciate. If you are passionate about bikes, this vlog is something you should watch. Stay tuned for an exciting and informative episode coming very soon. Another upcoming vlog will feature my visit to Taguig. In this episode, I will explore different places and share what makes the city unique. Viewers will see scenic spots and interesting surroundings. I plan to highlight both the modern and cultural aspects of the area. This vlog will also personal reflections during my visit. You can expect relaxing views and an enjoyable travel experience. I aim to capture moments that truly represent the city's atmosphere. Whether you have been to Taguig or not, this episode will give you a fresh perspective. It will be a simple yet meaningful journey worth watching. Please look forward to these two exciting vlogs and join me on these upcoming adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. So if patapos yung school year, magbakasyon kayo. Goodbye.